Sum number 4. Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. So here a pair of linear equations is given. We have to check whether this linear equations is consistent or inconsistent. Consistent illa inconsistent அப்படின்றத கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு அதாவது இது கன்சிஸ்டன்ட் அப்படின்னு இருந்ததுன்னா நம்ம அதை கிராஃபிக்கலா நம்ம அதை காட்டணும். அதோட சொல்யூஷனை கிராஃபிக்கலா காட்டணும். Okay, so if it is consistent, we have to show the solution graphically. If it is not consistent, that is if it is inconsistent, means there is no need to show graphically. Consistent irundha mattum graphical prove பண்ணனும், graphical காட்டணும். Consistent இல்ல அப்படினா நம்ம graphical போட வேண்டாம், graph யூஸ் பண்ண வேண்டாம். So the first subdivision is x plus y is equal to 5, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So what is the very first thing? The very first thing is we have to write it as x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. Now we have to see what is a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. So what is a1? a1 is 1, b1 is 1, c1 is minus 5, a2 is 2, b2 is 2, c2 is minus 10. Okay, so a1 is 1, b1 is 1, c1 is minus 5, a2 is 2, b2 is 2, c2 is minus 10. Now we have to see whether a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So a1 by a2, 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 equal to minus 5 by minus 10. Minus minus cancel, 5 ones are, 5 twos are. So 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. That is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So we conclude that these two lines are coincides. Therefore the two lines are coincides each other. And what about the solution? It has infinitely many solution. It has infinitely many solution. And what about the consistency? It is consistent. It is consistent dependent. It is consistent dependent. Okay, so if the two lines are coincides, then we say that consistent dependent. Consistent dependent. If the two lines coincides, then we say that it is consistent dependent. Now we are going to show it graphically. So graphical representation. Graphical representation. What is the first equation? First equation is x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So from this, x is equal to 5 minus y. X is equal to minus y in the side vanduchuna plus y in the side poiduchuna minus y. So x is equal to 5 minus y. So ipo x, y. When x is equal to 0, then 5 minus y is equal to 0. 5 minus 0 is equal to y. So y is equal to 5. 5 minus 0 value is 5. If y is equal to 1, x is equal to 5 minus 1, 4. When y is equal to 2, y ode value 2 irundhuna, x ode value 5 minus 2 is 3. When y is equal to 3, then x value is 2. When y is equal to 4, x value, second line, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. That is when I divide by 2, we get x plus y is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 minus y. So x, y. I think we are getting the same line, no? So x is equal to 5 minus y. Here also we get x is equal to 5 minus y. So obviously the same solutions only. So first equation for first line solve பண்ணும்போது x is equal to 5 minus y தான் வந்தது. Second line நம்ம solve பண்ணும்போது இதே தான் வருது. second line வந்து 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So x plus y is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 minus y. Same. So when x is equal to, okay, when y is equal to 5, x is equal to 0. When y is equal to 4, x is equal to 1. When y is equal to 3, x is equal to 2. When y is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. When, now we just plot it in the graphically. Line is 0, 5, 4, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4. 0, 5. So 0, 5, 0, 5. Next 4, 1. 4, 1. 3, 2. 3, 2. 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 4. 1, 4. Now let us join these lines. I am just extending this line. So if I join, this line is x plus y equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. And what about the second line? 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Second line is 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. What are the points? The same points. So we say that this line is again 2x plus 2y equal to 10. ஏன்னா இதுக்கும் அதே பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் இன்டர்செக்ஷன் தான் வருது. ஸோ the சேம் சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் தான் கிடைக்குது. ஸோ நம்ம திருப்பியும் நம்ம plot பண்ணோம்னா இதே லைன் தான் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். ஸோ once again we can say that the same line is nothing but 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So the two lines coincides each other. So what does we say? We say that the two lines coincide each other. So it has infinitely many solutions. So two lines coincides each other. So it has infinitely many solution. That is, the given pair of line is consistent dependent. Second subdivision, x minus y is equal to 8, 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. So from this we can say that x minus y minus 8 equal to 0, and then here we can write it as 3x minus 3y minus 16 is equal to 0. So we had written in the general form. General form வந்து ax plus by plus c. So அதனால தான் ax plus by plus c இந்த கான்செப்ட்க்கு நம்ம எழுதுறோம். அதனால தான் plus 8 இந்த சைடு கொண்டு வந்துரும். So minus 8 ஆயிடும். அதே மாதிரி plus 16 இந்த equal to இந்த சைடு கொண்டு வரும்போது minus 16 ஆயிடும். இப்போ a1 b1 c1 எழுதிறோம். What is a1? a1 is 1, b1 is minus 1, c1 is minus 8. a2 is 3, b2 is minus 3, c2 is minus 16. Now we just find out a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So what is a1? 1 divided by 3 equal to minus 1 divided by minus 3 equal to minus 8 divided by minus 16. Minus minus gets cancelled, minus minus gets cancelled, 8 ones are, 8 twos are. So 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 2. So what does this implies? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but it is not equal to c1 by c2. Then we say that the two lines are parallel. So the two lines are parallel. Then it has no solution. It has no solution. And what about the consistent? It is inconsistent. Inconsistent. The system is inconsistent. That is, the two pair of lines is inconsistent. ஸோ கன்சிஸ்டண்ட்டாக இருந்தால் தான் நம்ம கிராஃபிக்கல் போடணும். இங்கே கன்சிஸ்டன்ட் கிடையாது. ஸோ அதனால் நம்ம கிராஃபிக்கல் அப்ளை பண்ண வேணாம். தெர் இஸ் நோ நீட் டு அப்ளை ஃபார் கிராஃபிக்கலி பிகாஸ் இஃப் த கொஸ்டின் இஸ் ஆஸ்க்ட் இஃப் இட் இஸ் கன்சிஸ்டன்ட் we have to move towards graphically. If it is not consistent, that is if we obtain inconsistent, we can stop with this. Next, third subdivision, 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0, 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So here a1 is equal to 2, b1 is 1, c1 is minus 6, a2 is 4, b2 is minus 2, c2 is minus 4. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So 2 by 4 equal to 1 by minus 2 equal to minus 6 by minus 4. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2 equal to 2, this one is 3, equal to 3 by 2. So the first case itself it is not equal. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. What does this says? We can conclude that the lines intersects each other. And what about the solution? It has exactly one solution. It has one solution and the two lines are consistent. Now graphically we are going to show it. Graphical method. So the first line is 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. So from here we can find out what is y. So y is equal to 6 minus 2x. So when x is equal to 0, what happens to y? 6 minus 2 into 0. So 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. When x is equal to 1, we get y is equal to 6 minus 2, 4. When x is equal to 2, 6 minus 2 2s are 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. When x is equal to 3, then we get y is equal to 6 minus 2 3s are 6, 0. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 2. When x is equal to 5, we get y is equal to minus 4 because 2 5s are 10. So it is minus 4. Now consider the second pair of lines. Second one, 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So when I divide by 2, we get 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 2 is equal to y. So we just find out the values for x and y. X, y. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. When x is equal to 1 substitute panna 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. When x is equal to 2, we get 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. When x is equal to 3, we get 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. When x is equal to 4, we get 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. When x is equal to 5, 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Now we just plot it graphically. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit on both the sides. That is on x-axis and y-axis. So the first set of line. So the first set of line is 0, 6. 0, 6. 0, 6. Next 1, 4. 1, 4. 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 3, 0, 3, 0, 4, minus 2, 4, minus 2, 5, minus 4, 5, minus 4. Now we just join this line. So the line equation is 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Now considering the second line. The first pair 0, minus 2. 0, minus 2. 1, 0. 1, 0. 2, 2. 2, 2 is here. 3, 4. 3, 4. 4, 6. 4, 6. 5, 8. 5, 8. Now we just join these lines. So we had joined this line and the line equation is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. You can see that the two lines are intersecting and it has exactly one solution and it is intersecting at one solution, that is 2, 2. So we conclude that two lines intersect at one point. That is, what is that point? That point is nothing but 2, 2. We can see the graph now. The 2 points the two lines intersecting at 2, 2. So rendu lines 2, 2 ன்ற point la intersect ஆகுது. That is x equal to 2, y is equal to 2 is a unique solution. Is a unique solution and the system is consistent. The system, that is the given pair of lines is the given pair of lines are consistent. Okay. So if you have any doubt whether your answer is correct or not, x equal to 2, y is equal to 2 ன்றத நம்மளோட given questionல substitute பண்ணனா நமக்கு right hand side கிடைக்கும். இப்போ for example நான் second equation just verification கொடுக்கிறேன். Verification because I'm getting unique solution, so அந்த unique solution ன்றதால நான் ஒரு verification நம்மளோட answer கரெக்ட்டா இல்லையா அப்படினு செக் பண்றதுக்காக ஒரு verification பார்க்கலாம். So question என்னன்னா second question வந்து second line வந்து 2x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Just x equal to 2, y is equal to 2 substitute பண்ணுங்க. 4 into 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 4 equal to 0. 2 4s are 8 minus 2 2s are 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. Okay. So our answer is correct. Therefore, the system is consistent. And we have the unique solution as 2, 2. Fourth subdivision. 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. So here a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to minus 2, c1 is equal to minus 2. a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to minus 4, c2 is equal to minus 5. Now a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So 2 divided by 4 equal to minus 2 by minus 4 equal to minus 2 by minus 5. So 1, 2. Minus minus gets cancelled. 1, this is 2. Minus minus gets cancelled. 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 5. So we conclude that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. Then we say that the two lines are parallel. Therefore, the two lines, the given pair of the given pair of lines parallel. So ரெண்டு லைன்ஸும் parallel நம்ம conclude பண்றோம். So then parallel means then what about the solution? Then it has no solution. It has no solution. And what about the consistency? It is inconsistent. So then there is no need to find out graphically. Consistent ah irundha graphical use பண்ணனும். So consistent illa நமக்கு வந்துருச்சு. So it is there is no need to then there is no need to use graphical method.